ये पंकज पागल है क्या?
अरे सूरज चुप रहना, क्यों गा रहा है? Okay, so the way by which I have written the question, that was itself giving you the answer, right? So anyway, sometimes this way is also very good to tackle with the given problem. Fine. So simply see, in this case, you have to always, in such kinds of problems, always go clockwise and find out the relationship. Fine. So whenever you go clockwise, it becomes, let's say, now here there can be two options, right? That 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Then I started from 18, 21, 23, 27, 33, and 30 and 33. Or you can have relationship in between these two, right? Not necessarily every time the way I have written the question and you got the answer, right? But most of the times you try to find out the relationship in between these two numbers, right? The nearest two numbers, right? So here, see, in earlier logic, there was addition of 3. But in this way, again, answer will come the same, right? So 18, 12 plus 6 is 18, 15 plus 6 is 21, 24 plus 6 is 33, therefore 27 plus 6 is 33, right? So that could be the way that will result answer to you, right? And that is the 33. So option B is your answer. Fine. Yes. Hello, Akshay. Akshay. I don't know why the students are raising hand and then unrespond. Okay, anyway. So let's go for next one. See, these questions are itself many a times very easy, right? But you have to get used to these kinds of figures or the terminologies. That is the only purpose of this particular, let's say, kind of missing number category or the point. 9, 3, 2, 4, 12, 4, 3, 5, 14, 7, question mark, 6. Yes, I thought before writing, who is that? Karthik, I think recheck. Before writing the options, someone will definitely come up with the answer. How the option A will come? Someone had written something else. No, Akshay, it is not there. Someone had also written. Anuraj, recheck. Okay. Yes, someone had also written, I think, logic. Anyway, option is okay. I think to some of you, I don't know, most of you have written so mixed answers. It's very simple. In this case, you need not to do any kind of thing. I think to one or two students, I must have said recheck it, right? Anyway, I will explain. So by the time everyone will come across the answer, and maybe perhaps I might have said something is wrong, which might be correct one. So in this case, so again, as I said, here as you have gone clockwise, again here also go clockwise and start from the top, right? So what could be the relationship you can find out? So very first thing, what will come in my mind? 3 2 4, 3 2 4, and then 9. So is there any relationship? So 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 4 is 9. So 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9. This is only try and error, right? Now I have to again check it for the next one, if it is possible. 4, 3, the same logic as I applied for first one. So 4, 3, 7 plus 5. So it has come 12. So this is the logic, right? Then 7 plus x plus 6 is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 minus 13 is equal to 1. Therefore, 1 is your answer. So those who have written option A, right? So that is your answer. Fine. Okay.
Hello, sir. Sir, here 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, so 4 plus 2 is 6.
Just a minute. 4. Which one? 4?
That 2 plus 4.
2 plus 4.
No, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4.
2 plus 2 is equal to 4.
4.
And then
3 plus 2, 5.
3 plus 2,
No,
5.
that side. Second one.
3 plus 5.
3 plus 2 is equal to 5.
No, I couldn't get you. See, 2 plus 4
No,
is
2
equal to
plus 2.
Okay. So 2 plus 3 is, sorry, 2 plus 2
2,
is
4.
Then
3 plus 2, 5.
3 plus 2 is 5. Then here
4.
Okay, in this way, 4 minus 2 is, sorry, 6 minus 2 is
4.
right? So it will be 4, right?
Yes.
Is this your logic?
Yes, sir.
what about these numbers?
Sir, here 3 into 3.
How it is? Now see, here if you are going with this plus 2, then with the same logic you have to go for this one.
Okay.
I thought you are right, Sri. Okay, one more thing. 3 into 3, 9. Right?
Yes.
4 into 3, 12. Then 7 into 3. How it will be 7 into 2?
Yes. Okay, sir.
It's not. Right?
Yeah.
7 into 2 is not there.
Yes.
Fine. So this could be the way. That is the reason why. See, very simple example. Still, I'm taking it and making you compatible as well as used to these kinds of things. So there are some of the tricks. So always go clockwise. Start from top and go for the basic operations, algebraic operations, and straight away start from addition, subtraction, multiplication. At the last, go with the division. Right. So exactly reverse of the what it is, board almost, right? So whatever yesterday we have written that particular rule, right? So that's fine. Anyway, I guess you have cleared your. Okay, let's go for. Okay, if you want to take the screenshot of this, if someone wants, they can. Okay, I guess everyone must have finished. So let's go for the next one. Okay, I will write again the same. $14, 7, 28, 4, question mark, 2, 56. So I will write it out of this particular so that you will understand what it is. 4, A, B, C, D. Yes, it's very simple. 21, 32, 64, and 8. Now, most of you will get the answer. Yes. I'm sure everyone will definitely get the correct answer only. How Rohan it is 21? Okay. It is not again B. So option D is your answer. Keep in mind. That is 8. Fine. And the simple relationship here I can put out is, so this into this into this. So simply this into this. So 7 into x is equal to 56. So I must find out x is equal to 56 divided by 7, and it has to be 8. Right. 14 चौक 56, 28 दूनी 56, right? Likewise, it has to be 8. Fine. So option D is your answer. Again, same kind of thing. Sorry, I think again I have to write this number outside. 63, 31. Here it is 15, 7. Here it is question mark, and 127. Fine. 190, 255, 221, 236. Okay, till then, let's see what Shubham says.
हॅलो सर.
हाँ बोल.
सर 7 गुणिले 4 बरोबर 28 येते.
बर.
सर आणि 2 into 7 is equal to 14.
2 into 7 is equal to 14.
सर आणि 2 into सर 2 into 4 is equal to 8.
2 into 4 is equal to 8. So what you said? Tell me. 7 into very first one. What you said? Shubham.
हॅलो सर.
हाँ बोल.
सर 2 into 4 is equal to 8 येते आणि सर 4 into 7 is equal to 28 and 2 into 7 is equal to 14.
No, tell me. Very first one. Let me write.
2 into 7, sir.
2 into 7. You mean this one?
Is equal to 14.
Okay. Okay. Next.
4 into 7.
4 into 7.
7.
You mean this?
Yes.
Right. So that will result this one, and this will be this one.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Huh.
Okay. Next.
4
What is
into 2.
next?
4 into 2. 4 into 2 is equal to 8.
4 into 2 is equal to 8.
8.
So what is the logic and where is the logic? See, either you multiply by only 2 to everyone, or either you multiply by 4 to everyone. Right. So if you see here, so here you are, if you consider 2, here only in these two you are multiplying by 2. If you consider 4, only these two you are multiplying by 4. If you consider 7, it is only for 2. So it doesn't stand. Got it? And one more thing. What about this number? This must be having some significance. You cannot leave it. So whatever the logic you said, according to that, 56 is not being considered anywhere. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I guess. Okay, let's go to the question number 11. So, okay, anybody, I think Rushabnath got it. It's very simple one. No, Samin, it is not. Siddharth, again, I think Siddharth got it. Sahil got it. I think Aditya recheck. So I will tell you answer. Answer is 255. Now see. Probably some of you will go with the one kind of logic and some of you will go with another kind of logic. Yes. So everyone who is sharing with me their logic, they all are in the same category. Right. So here the logics are being said are number into 2 plus 1 is equal to answer. Then number plus 1 is equal to answer. Right. So these are the two logics till now have been shared. Multiple of 3. So that can be right. But see how much time it is being taken. So again, you have to look or take care about the time you are investing for this particular question. So simply, right, I may go something different than this. So I know now 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 16 is probably this particular logic, right? Because for me, multiplication of this much bigger number with this maybe consuming little bit more time. So I'll be going with this particular. Okay, so 15 plus 6, 15 plus 16, 31, 31 plus 32, 63, 63 plus 1, sorry, 63 plus 64 is 127, and then 127 plus 128. So it has to be 15, 5, 2. So if you get right, so by either of these ways, ultimately we'll be getting the answer, that is 255, no doubt. Only thing is that consumption of time. So option B is your answer. That's fine. Now, so $15, 10, 6, 12, 30, 20, fine. Then 30, 18, 45, and your question comes here. So you have to get all the numbers in the last triangle. So options are so 16, 45, 40, 24, 60, 40, 15, 30, 45, 24, 49, 90. Avishkar, I think you have right answer. Then lot of mixing. Okay. Okay, I will tell you the option so that you might be thinking in that direction. So if you consider this as option, let's see what happens. Consider option B as your answer and let's check it whether it is coming or not. Okay, let's see the table of 6, 10, 15. Okay, I will tell you. So see, there is a relationship, right, which is individual, that doesn't have any connection of all this, but there is one connection in every one of these, and that connection is about multiplication of the number. So if I write something, let's say 15 into 1 is 15, 10 into 1 is 10, 6 into 1 is 6, right? So again, if I go with this one, if I write 16 into 2, then 10 into 15 into 2 and 10 into 2, then here now I must have, see, I have done it multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to this one. So here it must be multiplied by 3, whatever the remaining number is, don't worry about it. Fine. So now how much is multiplied by 3? That is 10. How much is multiplied by 3 is equal to 18, 6. What about this one? So here it must be multiplied by 4, right? Now it is very difficult at this particular point to select the number, but again in that case you have to go for each of these options first number, right? So what is equal to what into let's say 4? So 4 into 4 is 16, so this can be, right? But what about 45 into 4? So nobody is there, so this fails, right? So 24, so 6 into 24, 6 into 4 is 24, right? Then here 15 into 4 is 60, and here the 10 into 4 is again 40, right? So here again nothing into 4 is 15. Here it might be, right, because 6, but here 45 again it fails, right? Here it might be coming up, right? Again no, I think I don't think here it is also, no. So only this thing, right? And because of that, now I can write here 6 into 4 is 24, 15 into 4 is 60, and 10 into 4 is 40. So I will go with this particular answer, that is option B, right? 6, 10, 15. Okay, now let's hear some.
Hello, sir.
Ha, bol.
Sir, there is a logic of addition also, no?
Which
Sir,
addition?
see. Sir, in first triangle, if we subtract 15 from 10, we'll get 1, 5.
15
And
from?
5 plus 1 is 6.
No, 15 from?
10.
Okay, this minus this.
Yes, sir.
Plus 1. Okay, 15 minus 10 plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what about this one?
Sir, if we subtract 12 from 30,
No,
so
no,
we
no,
will
no,
get
no, no. About
30
this
from
one, 30 from
12.
30 from 10. Okay, first thing I cannot take it. What about this one?
20. Answer in this one, if we
30
add, so no,
minus
sir.
18.
No, sir.
Plus
I
how much?
realize it. No, sir. I got it.
Okay. Okay, speak.
येस सर. सर
हा.
सगळ्या ट्रायंगल्सचे 3 पार्ट आहेत आणि तिन्ही पार्ट मध्ये एक एक सगळे येत आहेत. तर चौथ्या ट्रायंगल मध्ये 15 यायला पाहिजे होता लेफ्ट साइडच्या वरच्या ट्रायंगल मध्ये, तर का नाही आलं ते?
चौथ्या ट्रायंगल मध्ये 15
लेफ्ट साइडच्या वरच्या ट्रायंगलला यायला पाहिजे होतं.
म्हणजे इथे का?
हा.
जिथं 24 येतो तिथं 15.
हा.
ओके, तुझं लॉजिक काय होतं की सगळ्या ह्याच्यामध्ये काय रिपीट होत आहे?
सगळ्यात सगळीकडे 15
इथे 15 कुठे येतोय?
म्हणजे जसं की पहिल्या ह्याच्यात लेफ्ट साइडला पहिले येतोय, मग
15.
दुसऱ्या ह्याच्यात राईट साइडला येतोय,
नाही,
मग
कुठे येतो
तिसऱ्या
तिथं
ह्याच्यात
38.
तसं नाही. 15 into 1, 15 into 2, 15 into 3 तसं.
Okay. If you are applying it for 15 into, then what about other numbers? Are they repeating or are they in multiple?
रोटेट होते ना सर, सगळ्या ट्रायंगल्स मध्ये एक एकदा सगळे नंबर्स येत आहेत.
Okay, I can accept it that 15 is a multiple in rotation. What about other numbers? Are other numbers behaving like 15? Are you getting me?
No.
Then how it would be? Yes. See, last few minutes only.
Okay, sir, I
someone.
got.
Yes, I think. Okay, someone has also raised hand. Okay, let's hear him.
Sir, I have a simple logic for this question. May I?
Okay, yes.
Sir, add three numbers of a triangle. First triangle, then you get 31.
No,
Then-
three two.
No, sir. Add the three numbers of first triangle. Means 15 plus 10 plus 6. Then you will
Okay,
get 31.
Yes, 25 plus yes, 31. Then
Then in second triangle, add three numbers. Then you get 62.
okay, 31, 62. Good. Then
Then in third triangle, add three numbers. You get 93. Correct?
it has to be.
Then so the logic is that the answer is coming that plus 31 means 31, 62,
That-
93.
now that has
Then for
developed.
fourth
So
triangle, the answer will be 124.
right. So find out 124. Addition of either of these options is 124, right?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay, this will be standing there. That's fine. Yes.
That is the easiest logic for this. I have done,
Yes.
applied it.
Yes, it can be. But have you
Okay.
clearly checked out all the options so that the addition of only this option is 124? So 85.
Yes, sir. Yes,
that's
sir.
fine. 40, 80.
Yes, sir.
Again,
I
this
clearly
is
checked it.
it's fine. 45, 50, 60, and 70 and 90. 160. That's a fine. Right. So only 100, 124. So this logic can be there. That's fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, I guess now nobody is there. Fine. Okay. I think last one for, okay, screenshot, but I think there is some shade, so I will be putting it into the, okay, first I will just write the problem. So 4, 27, 5, 3, 2, 5, 37, 2, 6, 3, 5, question mark, 2, 2, 9, and your options are 45, 47, 55, and 57. Just a moment, I will. I think last 1 minute, and this is our last problem. Jay, why don't you recheck it? So answer is D, 57. Now see how it comes. So take a square of all these numbers. So square of 4 plus square of 3 and then add them. So square of 4 plus square of 3 plus square of 5 plus square of 2 divided by 2. It will result into 27. So square of 5 plus 25 plus 4, 29 plus 4, 33 plus 81, right? And that will result into 114 divided by 2 is 57, right? So the answer is D, right? So those who wanted to take the screenshot, they can, I guess. And this would be our last problem. Okay, I think our meeting ends here.